English Hindi vocabulary for C2 level. Ephemeral alpakalik. The beauty of a flower is ephemeral and fleeting. Esoteric gup. The book's esoteric subject matter made it difficult for most people to understand. Ethereal alaukic. The dancer's movements were so graceful that they seemed almost ethereal. Exacerbate. Bigadna. His comments only served to exacerbate the situation. Exorbitant. Atyadhik. The price of the new iPhone was exorbitant. Extraneous. Atirikt. The extraneous details in the report made it hard to focus on the main points. Farcical. Hasyapurn. The play was a farcical comedy that had the audience in stitches. Fastidious. Sajag. She was fastidious about keeping her house clean. Fatuous. Murkh. His fatuous remarks made everyone roll their eyes. Fervent. Utsahi. The fans were fervent in their support of the soccer team. Flippant. Tuch. His flippant attitude towards his work showed that he didn't take it seriously. Florid. Ati alankrit. The writer's florid prose was often criticized for being too ornate. Formidable. Durjay. The army faced a formidable opponent in the battle. Garrulous. Bakbaki. The garrulous neighbor talked non-stop for hours. Gratuitous. Nirarthak. The violent scene in the movie seemed gratuitous and unnecessary. Hackneyed. Purana. The cliched plot of the movie was predictable and hackneyed. Hegemony. Varchasv. The country's economic hegemony gave it significant power in the region. Iconoclastic. Virodhi. The artist's iconoclastic work challenged traditional notions of beauty. Idiosyncratic. Vichitra. His idiosyncratic style of dress made him stand out from the crowd. Ignominious. Apmanjanak. His ignominious defeat in the election left him embarrassed and ashamed. Please subscribe our channel for more English learning videos. Thank you.